Today's been an insanely crazy day. In addition, I lost some footage and now I have to tape in the evening. I went to visit the shop that has my 1942 Don Julio Chevy truck, as well as the same shop now has my Porsche RatRod project. Let me know what you think. This is the rusty RatRod Porsche that I'm trying to build. That's the project car. Possibly this might end up to be a place where it will become a monument to fallen Porsches. But now it's here. Yeah. Problem during the towing. Well, it's almost in one piece. Still. This thing is pretty cool. Look at it. So sick. Has a 305 in it, just like my truck had. Hopefully they will put something bigger. 1947 International. Look at it inside. I like this headlight switch. It's right inside. Apparently the wheels are like 1,000 pounds, all four of them, and they're called suicide wheels because under pressure they pop out and just kill if you don't know how to handle them. So these are very old, from a very old Firetruck. Really cool truck. Hopefully to see it on the road soon.